Have you ever tried beating a cat, but every time you come closer to the cat runs away from you and keeps watching you from a distance? In the second attempt, when you do that again, the cat again walks from you and he again keeps watching you from a distance. And in the third attempt, when you do that again, the cat disappears and it flees away. But when you focus your attention on something or someone else, the cat comes closer to you and jumps onto your lap. So the phenomenon that is hard to reconcile with the fact and idea that effort is the key to success. Yeah, it's true, like we should put in effort if you are learning a language, but not that much harder. Because the harder you try, the worse it gets. And the idea of the making this video I've gotten by watching this video. The harder you try, the worse it gets. And I actually randomly I was scrolling through YouTube and I found this video, and I thought that I should make video on this, like why you should not try harder and why you should be consistent in this language, because the more you become consistent, the more it becomes easy for you, and the harder you try, the worse it gets. So please don't try harder, make it easy. It's not a big deal to learn this language in this era because we have much resources, but we try harder, we learn vocabularies and like grammar rules, etc, etc, and that makes us feel like miserable and anxious. That's why we are not improving in our English. So guys, today I'm going to put my stance on it, that why we should not try harder, or why we should make it easy to learn any language. So before we get into the video, I want all of you guys that please watch my video completely till the end so you can understand everything whatever I have to say, because I have got a lot of things to say. So please watch my video completely till the end so you can understand everything I have to say. So first of all, I want to talk about my story, like how I used to be and how I am right now. So back then I used to remember a lot of vocabularies and I used to like learn grammar rules and etc, etc, because that's how I knew we are supposed to like improve our English. But it's not like that. We learn the language by immersing ourselves in this language. This is how we learn a new language. So back then I used to remember vocabularies, but I switched into activating my passive vocabularies. Passive vocabularies means the words which we know but we don't know how to use them. So how can we activate them? We can watch a lot of conversational videos or podcast videos, and if you like to listen the audio form of podcast, then you can do this. And if you want to become like perfect at your passive vocabularies, then you can like watch those videos frequently for a long time, or you can also like listen audio form of that podcast for a long time frequently. Then it will become easy for you to like remember those passive vocabularies and you are going to use them, because this is my experience. And actually I think that it's fragile to learn new vocabularies, but I'm not against it. I'm not saying to you that don't learn if you are a beginner level of learner. So you should learn, because I improved my English by this, by improved my vocabularies at this. So you can do this if you are a beginner level of learner. But if you are an intermediate level of learner and if you want to improve your vocabularies, then don't be in illusion. Just think that you know a lot of words, but you don't know how to use them. So just follow this strategy and you can watch a lot of podcasts or you listen to a lot of podcasts. Then it will really become easy for you to recall those passive vocabularies in every conversation which you will have in the future. So just go ahead and just follow this strategy, because मैं यही बोलूँगा कि मतलब अगर आप इस स्ट्रैटेजी को फॉलो करोगे तो पक्का मतलब आपकी जितने भी मतलब सारे पैसिव वोकैबुलरीज हैं वो सारे एक्टिवेट हो जाएंगे और आप उनको यूज़ करना स्टार्ट कर दोगे. और बहुत ही ईजी मेथड है ये, मतलब मैं फ़ॉलो करता हूँ. और जब भी मैं किसी भी मतलब वर्ड्स को इनकाउंटर करता हूँ, जो मैं वर्ड्स नहीं जानता हूँ उनकी मीनिंग्स, तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं ट्रांसलेट करता हूँ. पहली बार मैं ट्रांसलेट करता हूँ क्योंकि मीनिंग जानना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, लेकिन मैं दूसरी बार उसकी मीनिंग नहीं देखता हूँ, कभी नहीं देखता हूँ मीनिंग उसकी. बस मैं उसको सुनता हूँ उस पॉडकास्ट को जिसमें मैंने बहुत सारे वर्ड्स मतलब जो इनकाउंटर करे थे उसको सुनता हूँ लगातार. और एट लास्ट बिकॉज ऑफ कॉन्टेक्स्ट आई स्टार्ट यूजिंग them in every conversation. So guys, it's not a big deal to like learn new vocabularies or like activate your passive vocabularies in this era, because we have much resources. We can do this, we can make it big. So just go ahead and just follow this strategy. Go ahead, bros and sisters. And second thing is that don't compare yourself with others, because what happens when we compare ourselves with others, we see that how they can speak English fluently and confidently, and we try harder than ever before. Then it gets worse than ever before. So don't compare yourself with others. You don't know how the circumstances were there for them. You know how you are, and just compare yourself to your former self, like how you used to be and how you are right now. I do this, like I actually encounter a lot of improvements in my English, and I say to myself that Saqib, you have come so far, so please keep doing it. Don't leave it. You are going to make it big, and you know that. So don't leave it and just keep doing it and keep creating videos or like improving yourself, so it's not a big deal. So don't compare yourself to others, because like the more you compare yourself to others, the more you become miserable and anxious that why I cannot improve my English. So don't compare yourself with others. So guys, please don't do this, because it becomes very hard for us, so. And third, if you are not confident and if you want to improve your speaking, then you can use one application which I have been using for a long time. And there come a lot of people like from all over the world, like USA, America, UK, sorry, USA, UK, China, and like Korea, like every corner of the world, people come over there, and use that application, and they create room and people join their room and they try to listen, and they also get a chance to uh, go on the stage, and they also get a chance to talk on the stage, speak on the stage, it's like that. So I'm going to demonstrate that how to use that application. Okay, so please watch my screen recording video. So first of all, go on to Play Store. Okay, and you have to search Hello Talk. Okay, you can see the view over here. Actually I have downloaded this application already, that's why it is showing this. So I'm going to open this application, and it is now going to be opened. So it's like that. So you can sign in with Google, you can sign in with Facebook, and you can sign in with email, and you can practice 150 languages with 30 million native speakers globally. So it's like that. So I'm going to sign in with Google. Okay, so now I have signed in this application, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to go on to the point, and let me tell you like what you have to do. So you can click on this icon live, and after clicking on this icon, you will get the view like this. So you can talk to talk to native speakers by joining their rooms. You can see talk to me in English a room. So I'm going to join this room. Okay, so now I have joined this room, and if you want to go on to the stage, then you
Right.
have to
And
tap
he's
on
okay
this
with that.
icon.
He's
You
fine
have to
with
Yes.
tap
everything.
on this icon,
But I
and
don't
if
want to
the
work as a
host
German
will
language
accept
teacher
your request to
because
go on to the
German
stage,
is
they will
not
let you know.
widely
And
spoken like
you can
English
talk
now,
to
Yeah.
you
and
can
I have
talk.
to
Okay, you
learn
can talk
English.
by going
Yeah.
on to the stage, and you can
For
also
women
listen them
working,
by
I think,
being down over
everyone
here.
should have the right
So
to
it's like
work.
that.
Yes.
So if
Sorry,
you want
I'm
to
I
being a
improve
bit
your
feminist
confidence,
there,
then you
but
must use this
yeah, if
application,
I
women
had
to
and I'm
work
going to
will do.
provide the link in the
yes,
comment
if I
section. You can
had the
download from there.
choice to change my job,
So
I
that's
will
all.
I would.
I will elaborate or everything about this application later. First, download this application now. So guys, now you got this, that how to use this application, and if you will use this application, it will really help you a lot to become confident, because I have been using this application and I've become more confident than before. So it's really easy, guys. And if you don't want to talk, then you can also listen, and if you want to go on the stage, then you can also go on the stage and talk to the other random people. It is up to you. And guys, I have put lots of effort into making this video, and I want all of you guys to subscribe my channel, and I want all of you guys that please share my video with your family and friends, so they can also get help from my videos. And until next time, keep practicing and keep learning. Bye for now.